You probably think chanting is just some old religious thing, like people sitting in robes going Om or whatever. But if you sit down and say these words, Namu Myoho Renge Kyo, for 5 minutes, your brain literally starts glitching. Not in a scary way. It's more like your thoughts stop yelling over each other. It's kind of freaky at first. Then it's like, wait, why do I feel different? You just changed how your brain sees it. So yeah, you probably heard the word Buddhism and thought, that's not for me. Like monks on mountains or people trying to float during meditation. But Nichiren Buddhism isn't like that. You don't have to believe in anything. You don't even have to be chill. You just have to sit down, say these words, and not run from what shows up in your head. It's about being real. You ever feel like your brain is just doing stuff without asking you first? Like you're mad and you don't even know why, or you're overthinking texts, convos, your whole life while brushing your teeth. You're tired, but you can't sleep. You're bored, but your phone's on 10%. It's like your brain is spamming you with notifications, but none of them actually help. And when people say, just relax, it makes it worse. Because the real problem? You've never actually heard your own mind be quiet. You're just distracted from your real self 24/7. So here's what you do. You sit down. No music, no scrolling, no pretending. You say this phrase, Namu Myoho Renge Kyo, out loud, not whispering, like for real. First few seconds, your brain's like, this is dumb. Then your breath shifts. Your mind starts pulling up random stuff, memories, stress, stuff you didn't even know was bothering you. But you keep chanting. Suddenly, your focus locks in, like tunnel vision. No fake calm, no fake happiness, just you. Stuff gets clear fast. Like that one person who drains your energy, you'll see it. The way you fake your mood around certain people, you'll feel it. The reason you keep distracting yourself, boom, right in your face. Chanting gives you clarity, not the kind from YouTube motivation videos. Real clarity, like, oh, that's what I've been avoiding. It's not always fun. Sometimes it hits hard, but it's the first time your mind stops lying. This isn't some chill spiritual trend. Nichiren Buddhism is old, but it's built for now. Nichiren literally got exiled for saying people were following fake teachings. He was trying to wake people up. He taught that if you don't change your own life, nothing else will. Not your parents, not your school, not your phone wallpaper with some quote on it. Chanting isn't positive energy. It's fighting your own brain when it wants to give up, scroll, or stay small. You versus you. You don't chant to be perfect. You chant to see what's real. Not the version of you people expect, not the aesthetic version you post, the version that's been stuck behind overthinking and noise. 5 minutes. You, your voice, no filters. Namu Myoho Renge Kyo. Try it. Then tell me you still know who you are. Comment Namu Myoho Renge Kyo and watch True Facts About Nichiren Buddhism.